We've met integration before, but in this section what we're going to introduce is something new called definite integration. You can see two numbers, one on the top and one on the bottom of the integral sign. These numbers are called limits. 1 is the bottom limit and 3 is the top limit. Integrals we've met before which didn't have these limits are called indefinite integrals. If you have limits, we're using definite integration, and that's what this section is all about. When we perform a definite integral, we integrate into squared brackets. The actual integral itself is done in the usual way. So we'll increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power, giving us 6x cubed over 3. When we put the closing square bracket, we put the limits on the closing squared bracket as shown. We can tidy this expression, giving us 2x cubed. The squared bracket then becomes a pair of round brackets. So we write down these round brackets. First round bracket with a minus sign, and then the second round bracket. The first round bracket takes this expression evaluated with the top limit substituted for x. So 2 times 3 cubed. The second bracket has the expression with the bottom limit substituted. So 2 times 1 cubed. 3 cubed is 27, multiplied by 2 is 54. Take away, 1 cubed is 1 times 2 is 2. So this gives us 52. Note that when doing a definite integral, we don't use the arbitrary constant plus c when we integrate.